Hello there, how's going everything?
Hi, I'm really doing very great. What about you?
I'm over the moon to have you here. Today I have 30 fascinating and nice questions. So I'd love to ask you those questions. So are you ready for that?
Yeah, I'm obviously fit and fine, and I'm really excited to answer those questions to you. Let's get
Okay.
started.
Okay, let's start. First, let's start with a question. What's your name?
Well, my name is Shorlipi Gungun. You can call me Gungun because that's my nickname. Besides, my name has a really beautiful meaning. The Shorlipi starts the Indian classical music notation. Besides, Gungun means the sense of inner peace.
Oh, that's such a beautiful name. Next question. Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar is also known as the longest sea beach in the world. Well, I can suggest you that if you really want to escape the rat's race and recharge your batteries, Cox's Bazar is the ultimate destination.
Oh, that's nice. Next question. Could you describe your hometown?
Well, my hometown is Cox's Bazar. I'm really much fortunate to enough to call my Cox's Bazar my hometown because this is a picturesque coastal city nestled in the southeastern of Bangladesh. I really love my hometown. Besides, you can find a diversity of peoples, cultures, foods, etc.
Oh, that's nice. Next question. Could you please tell me what do you do?
Well, I have completed my SS examination, but I believe that every time in your life words. So I right now doing practicing vocabulary and listening to various English podcasts as well.
Oh, that's great. Next question. Could you please tell me about your family?
Well, my family is kind of big. I am from joint family. We got six members in our family. I am included with my three siblings, my father, my mother, and my grandma. My mother is a homemaker, and my father is a businessman. My family really helps me a lot, and they are really a nice family. And I'm so much grateful to God that I've got a family like them.
Oh, that's such a wonderful family. Next question. What's your hobby?
Well, dancing is my passion and undoubtedly my favorite hobby. Besides, I do gardening and sing songs and also drawing pictures. And moreover, I practice guitar, not to master it, but occasionally, yes.
Okay, let's move into another question. What is your daily routine?
Well, as I have mentioned before, that I have already completed my SS examination, but I obviously perform a meticulously structured sequence cognitive task. I always make sure that my daily routine is being productive. Besides, I orchestrated my passions, my hobbies that, for example, you can say that drawing, dancing, practicing guitar, and so more.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear. Next question. Where do you study?
Well, I have already completed my SSF examination, but I'm willing to study at Chattogram Cantonment Public School and College for my higher studies because this fosters both academic and co-curricular activities.
Okay. Could you please tell me what is your favorite subject and why?
Well, my favorite subject is chemistry because in the chemistry you will find so many kind of reactants, so many kind of reactions with so many kind of chemicals. This actually fun to experiment new things and to know about those things that you are actually seeing in your daily life.
Okay. Next question. Could you please tell me why did you choose SpeakUp?
Well, that's a very fascinating question. SpeakUp is an excellent center for English learning. Besides, you can actually learn different kind of accents here, especially American and British. Besides, in addition to teaching grammar, they also teach us and put more attention in speaking, writing, and with the communication. Besides, the SpeakUp influences students and prepare them for international Olympics. So I would really choose SpeakUp for this.
Oh, that's right. Next question. If you please share your future goal, how would you share? Like, what is your future goal?
Well, I really want to be a professional dancer because dancing is my really passion. And besides, I really love to show or express my emotions through the movement. Besides, I also believe in a backup plan. So, it's my backup plan. I'm putting software engineering.
Oh, that's great. Next question. What kind of job would you like in the future?
As I mentioned before about the software engineering, I would say that if it's about something job, I would choose software engineering because it's an actually stable and it's a long learning process. So and it's also a well developed career for me.
Okay. So, may I know how do you practice English?
Well, there are a lot of types of things or diversity that you can practice English. But in my case, first of all, I really watch the SpeakUp podcast, the SpeakUp videos. Besides, I stream many more English movies. And moreover, I try to put myself in front of the mirror and try to record myself if I'm doing better or not.
Oh, that's nice. As I can see, you're truly into music, so may I know what kind of music do you like?
Well, there are really lots of kind of musics. Like you can find pop music, melodious, lofi music. But I'm actually into pop music and classical genre. Pop music actually have infectious energy, and it can actually change my whole mood in a second. Besides, in the classical genre, there are a lot of things, but I would go with the pop music.
Oh, that's great. Next question. What is your favorite food?
Well, as Bengali, I really have a lot of food in my favorite list, but I would like to choose biryani, especially the mutton biryani. The fragrance of the rice, the tender, juicy meat. It is actually with a lot of spices, so I would really go with the biryani.
Oh, that's really nice to hear. Next question. Do you like to read books? If so, why or why not?
Well, yeah, I really love to read books because books enriches our mind. It is actually a knowledge base and it actually goes out with the present world as well. Besides, when you are in danger, you can put down your knowledge to come out from this danger. So I would really love to read books.
Oh, thank you so much for your answer. Next question. What type of movies do you enjoy?
Well, there are a lot of kind of movies you will see. You can find horror, you can find thrilling, adventurous, science fictional, and so more. But I would choose horror because horror movies are actually spooky and it makes me to sit on the edge.
Okay, next question. Do you like traveling?
Well, yeah, traveling is really one of my favorite passion. Like when you travel, you can really find diversity of cultures, traditions, peoples. You can know about different places as well and also their history. And if it's about traveling, I would really love to travel in hilly areas.
Oh, I also agree with this. I love traveling too much. Next question. What do you usually do on weekends?
Well, as I mentioned before, I really like to make my holidays or my weekends productive as well as relaxing too. But I prefer more productive because I'm so much hardworking person and I don't misuse my time because as I mentioned before, time is worthy enough in your life. So in my weekend, I keep myself busy doing drawing, dances, and sometimes helping my mom as well.
Oh, that's nice. Could you please tell us how do you spend your free time?
Well, I spend my free, as I mentioned before, I believe in productivity in the time, but sometimes it happens I spend my free time with my family, sometimes helping my mom because this actually makes me feel better and you can actually have a good bond. So I spend my free time with my family.
That's nice. So, may I know when do you do your homework?
Well, I do homework in the morning, especially like around 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. because whenever you have a long night sleep, then your mind actually get fresh. So I prefer that this time is good enough because you can only concentrate on those things and you got no problems on solving those problems. So yeah.
That sounds cool. Here is a very fascinating question. If I give you two options, money or books, which one would you choose? What is more important to you, money or books?
Well, money and book are both are compatible to each other, but I would choose book because book is a knowledge. Obviously, if you read books, you can gain knowledge, and through gaining knowledge and utilizing it, you can obviously earn money. But at the same time, money is also important to run your own life. But in my point of view, I would choose book.
Oh, thank you for sharing your opinion. Next question. Do you prefer city life or village life?
Well, I would choose city life because in the city life you can get so many opportunities like education, school, healthcare institution, etc. But for your mental peace, village is also important because you can see or you can feel peace and tranquility there. And moreover, you can find the nature there. But in practical life, I would say that city life is the best.
Oh, that's great. Next question. What do you think makes a good friend?
Well, a good friend must have to be trustworthy enough, honest, have transparency. So these things might be actually work on a good friend to be a good friend.
Oh, that's right. So, may I know who is your best friend?
Well, I would like to give that tag to my best friend to my mom because my mom is like a chat GPT and sometimes a Google for me. Whenever I've been confusing on something, I just go and ask my mom. She literally gives me so many kinds of answers and so many kinds of options as well. So I would choose my best friend to be my mom.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear. Next question. So, can you describe a memorable day in your life?
Well, there are a lot of memorable days in my life, but I would choose only one. That one is, as I said, that I'm a dancer. I really got that chance to meet the ex prime minister on a train opening ceremony. I was literally beside her, so that day was the best day and a memorable day in my life.
That's really nice to hear. Thank you. Next question. Have you ever attended a special event?
Well, yeah, I have attended a special event that's my mom's and dad 18th years anniversary. I really enjoyed it a lot and I really saw how the love and bond they shared together and with all of my relatives were there, so that was the actual special event.
Okay. Could you please tell me about your last holiday?
Well, my in my last holiday, I remember I went to Bandarban because in the Bandarban is really a great traveling place. You can find hilly areas there, and I visited so many temples like Buddhist temples. So yeah, Bandarban. I went to Bandarban, and it's very nice.
Oh, that's really amazing. Then, next question. Could you please tell me something about yourself?
Well, as I've mentioned before, my name is Shrawlipi Dargungun. I'm a very quick learner. Besides, my qualities are my adaptability, my sophistications, and my charisma. And moreover, I'm a really quick learner. I can adapt with so many things. I can adapt with new peoples, and I can also manage them, or you can say manipulate them to do the works, or I can also understand them. So this is my qualities.
Thank you for sharing. My very last question. As you're living in Cox's Bazar, so what do you know about Cox's Bazar?
Well, Cox's Bazar is really a really beautiful and fascinating place. It's a really longest sea beach in the world. Besides, you can find so many types of people, so many different cuisines. Um, Here you can find the hilly areas after the Inani. So I would really choose Cox's Bazar, and moreover, Cox's Bazar is actually nice for its boats. And many painters from different areas come here in Cox's Bazar just to get the view of boats in real life. So yeah,
Thank you. So, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts.
thank you so much. Welcome.